Spotty Dotty Show.
Hi, on this video, I will be giving you 5 tips on how to take a good picture of your pet so you can draw it or paint it. Let's get started. This is Gage. He's a white boxer and he's going to be my model today. All right, Gage, let's do this. Tip number 1, make sure your lighting is not too dark or too bright. Have just enough lighting to show your pet's features. Outdoor lighting is great. Second tip, make sure that your background is clear of clutter so your focus can be on your pet. Tip number 3, get down on their level. You don't want to take a picture from above. Tip number 4, have some attention grabbers. Maybe a squeaky toy or a keyword to get their attention to look at you. Do you want a treat? Last but not least, make sure you and your pet are having some fun. You may even get a really cool action pose. And of course, give him a little treat. He's doing such a good job. Good boy. Come on.
Check out the video where I teach you how to draw the picture of your pet.
Did you enjoy this video? Remember to like and subscribe to the Spotty Dotty Show.